Today we're unboxing the Galaxy Buds Pro. Samsung just released them in January and I gotta admit they look phenomenal, so let's check them out. I gotta admit the presentation is lovely. Wow, look at those, they look like pearl. I've never really seen anything quite like it. And inside you also find your cables. Those are amazing. So they come in Phantom Black, Violet, and Silver. And obviously this is silver. So these were the older generation. This is the Galaxy Buds Live. This is Galaxy Buds Pro. And the difference in the quality and the size and the shape and everything is huge. It's a lot. And one of my favorite things is that if you open the case, they'll pair almost instantly. Look at that. Connect. It's amazing. And then it can take you through the whole, like, how to wear them, how to make them fit properly, and what the functionality is. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about them. They have a two-way speaker, dual array mic, and it can pick up your voice really clearly even when you're wearing it outside in the wind, including intelligent active noise cancellation. So, let's talk about how they sound. They sound amazing. I have to say, the Galaxy Buds, you know, they were a great product, Galaxy Buds Live. I was a huge fan of them when they came out. They fit uniquely in the ear and I liked how they sat, but there were times where it always felt like you were compensating for how they sat in your ear, so I would push them in further than they're supposed to be. These just sit perfectly right at the edge of my ear, and I'm recording the audio on my phone from them, so you can kind of get a sense of the quality of the audio. And the bass is beautiful. It's very full, rich sound, especially for earbuds. It's remarkable. Compared to Live, it's a huge upgrade. I do like Live. They're a good, affordable option. But if you're going to spend a little bit more for a lot more, these are phenomenal, especially for Android users. For Samsung users, especially for my Note, like I think pairing with the Note, and certainly the new S21 in that series, you're going to get a world of features. The active noise cancellation is amazing, especially with the way, if someone starts speaking, it will dim your audio so you can actually talk and hear them talking and hear yourself. So it compensates while you're doing everything. It's amazing. In terms of features, I think the amount of time they work for is a big deal. 13 hours plus 5 is a lot, and that's with the active noise cancellation, and it's up to 28 hours including the case, so if you've got active noise cancellation off. So basically 8 hours active noise cancellation off plus another 20 charging in the case, and they charge remarkably fast. They're also IPX7 water resistance, which is huge for earbuds. Dolby Atmos, great bass, two-way speaker, dual array mic, Bluetooth 5. It's an amazing amount of features, especially with the intelligent active noise cancellation. So there you go. That is the Galaxy Buds Pro. Check them out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer any questions. And, really cool product. Excellent audio. And I can't wait to really get out in the world over the next week and try them even further. But so far I would say they're an amazing product and they are a must buy if you want to spend a little more and get a lot for the money.